Okay, so we're going to be looking at question 8a part 2 from the 2014 National 5 physics paper. That relates to this airport worker with an X-ray machine, and we've just calculated in part 1 the absorbed dose, and remember the absorbed dose is in grays and it was a value of 9.0 times 10 to the minus 5 grays. So the question is now calculate the equivalent dose received by this worker. So the equation for equivalent dose is H is equal to D times the radiation weighting factor. And that is 9.0 times 10 to the minus 5 times the radiation weighting factor for X-rays. Now if you look at the very front inside page of the test paper, you'll see a data sheet, and the data sheet will give you a list of different radiation weighting factors. If you like, we can have a quick look at it now. If I see if I can zoom all the way to the front of this paper, there we are, and down here we have radiation types here, and we have X-rays has a radiation weighting factor of 1, and so that's what we're trying to use. So we'll go back down to where the paper is, has this question. If I can remember what question it is, number 8. Let's see if we can find it. There we are. So we can finish off our question just now. So the radiation weighting factor was 1, so we just multiply it by 1 and we get our answer, which is the same value, but of course it has now a different unit, 9.0 times 10 to the minus 5, and the unit for equivalent dose is the sievert.